Alright, so in this video here, I'm going to turn off the remote and I'm going to try to attach this landing gear to the plane. Got it from Hobby Zone. I do really like this company, Hobby Zone, and because you can find a lot of cool stuff to modify your planes. Alright, so this one did not come, as mentioned before, this plane did not come with landing gear, and so I'm hoping that I will be able to somehow mod it. I don't know. I may have to cut a little bit of the foam in order to fit this in here. This should be fine. I should just be able to glue it on in the back. So we'll see how that works out, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.